What if there was a way of measuring where our technological advancements are headed? Sounds boring, right? Well, how about I reframe this same question and tell you how close we are to becoming like the people from Star Wars and Star Trek? Sounds interesting? Well, with development in AI in recent times, people across the globe are wondering if this is the epitome of human development. Well, I'm here to tell you it's really not. The Kardashev scale is a scale developed by Russian scientist Kardashev to measure the technological advancements of humans versus any other life forms that may be out there. This scale classifies the different groups in terms of their energy consumption and efficiency in producing energy. Kardashev scale classifies all the different groups into three major categories. Type 1. These are the civilizations which are capable of using their entire planet's resources and energies. They control everything on their planets, like its weather, earthquakes, rivers, etc. They are the masters of their own planets. Humanity is still not a complete Type 1 civilization, although scientists argue that we are somewhere around 0.7 on the scale. Type 2. These guys are super advanced. They are capable of harnessing energy directly from their star. These are examples of these type of civilization are like the ones we have seen in Star Wars and Star Trek. The net energy intake of Earth in 1 year is around 25,000 terawatt hour. The sun produces 400 septillion watts of energy in 1 second. For those of you who are wondering what septillion is, let me tell you, it means way too much energy, and that too in 1 second. Imagine even if we could harness 0.01% of our star's total energy, all the energy crisis on Earth would be sorted out. Type 2 civilizations will use megastructures like a Dyson sphere. A Dyson sphere is basically a hyper advanced computer which is literally built around a star. Moving on to Type 3. These folks are on a whole other level. They harness the entire power of their galaxy, a galaxy with millions of stars and black holes. These guys harness it all, and as expected, we cannot even begin to calculate how much that is or how big of a number that is. Do you remember the scene from Interstellar where Cooper falls into the black hole and falls into a tesseract-like structure where time was a physical dimension? Well, you guessed it right. The people from future which Cooper mentions in the film are indeed a Type 3 civilization. So now you can imagine what kind of technological advancement one can achieve with that sort of energy. There are another two types of civilization called Type 4 and Type 5, but scientists believe that they are impossible to exist since it is suggested that they literally draw energy right out of space and they can warp space, etc. So basically speaking, once you are Type 4 civilization, space and time become your playground. It is not impossible for us to be Type 2. For all we know, with potential advances in science, we could be a complete Type 1 and move towards being Type 2. Nothing is impossible so long as someone is out there dreaming about making it happen. Well then folks, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Until next time, I'll be your friendly neighborhood, the Astrophile.